Time to back the truck up, guys. Everything's on sale again. Alright guys, welcome back. Once again, my name is Britches, and in today's video, if you are like me, you have been stacking some cash up, you are kind of excited right now. Silver is on sale, platinum is on sale, gold, palladium is definitely on sale. Now is a good time to buy precious metals in general, guys. It really is. Silver is down 3% today. That is a big jump down again. Man, it's like it is on a roll straight to the bottom, guys. Straight to the bottom. We are now inching closer to $10 silver rather than $20 silver. It is heading in the wrong direction, which for us silver stackers is great news. That means we can buy more silver. But gold is down today also, but it is not as much in a panic sell as silver has been. So right now, yes, silver is the better buy. So is it the right time to buy silver? Yes, I would say yes. If you have cash on hand, if you are well prepared for what's going on out there right now, then yes, I would definitely buy some silver. Definitely. But if you are not prepared, if you do not have some type of consumables stacked up, like canned goods, water, so forth, and gas, propane, all that stuff, if you're not stocked up on that stuff, I would definitely go ahead and get some. I would definitely go ahead and prepare for that. And then, yes, buy you some precious metals also. And the reason why I say that is because we do not know to the extent of how bad this is going to be, because we do not have any tests made up for this virus yet, as far as to make sure people do or don't have it. To be honest with you, all we know are certain symptoms. So for right now, we don't know who has it, who doesn't have it. We do know who the people are susceptible to getting it, and that is people with pre-existing conditions, people who smoke, people who aren't in great health. Those are the ones who are more at risk. So if you don't fall into those categories, then you have a great chance of, if you do get it, of being able to beat this virus. So with that being said, guys, it is your personal decision. Do not let me influence you. But yes, I will definitely be stacking some cash, and I will definitely be buying some more silver this week. It is definitely on sale. It is a great time to buy. And the reason why I say that is because last year, silver was in the $14 range. And guess what? We're only $1 off now. So everything that silver gained last year, guys, is wiped out almost. So it's a great time to buy. You can really get maybe, good Lord, you can get probably 20 ounces right now, probably in the 370 range. That is phenomenal. If you find that deal, guys, I would definitely jump on it. As far as your government boy, and you can probably get cheaper for generics. You could, if you haven't taken advantage of the spot deals right now, guys, at all the major bullion dealers, now is a great time to buy. I think I've seen them at maybe, good Lord, I want to say it was in the 170s for 10 ounces. That's a great buy, guys. Just a couple months ago or last month, man, it was over 200. So now is a great time to buy. It's on sale. Back the truck up if you are in the market for it, and go ahead and unload. Now, I don't foresee it dropping a ton more than what it has, because investors have lost a ton of money. So at some point, they need to find some way of making their profits back. Whether that's going to be in precious metals, I don't know. In past issues like this before, that's what they have done. So yes, now is a great time to buy silver. It's a great time to buy platinum. Platinum may be a better buy right now than silver, to be honest with you. It's in the 700 range. It had been flirting with that $1,000 ounce range. It is now in the 700s. Wow, that's crazy. I'm glad I'm waited on getting platinum because now it is down a lot. So palladium took a nice hit today too, guys. It's below 2,000 again. So gold is pretty much it's down today, but it's down 1%. So as always, gold is holding strong. It's holding steady like a rock. Just like I said, it's still down, but it's not nowhere near as all the other precious metals because it is the ultimate safe harbor. It is the ultimate way to preserve your wealth. Check that bad boy out. Whew, man, isn't that sexy? All right, guys. Remember, it's on sale. If you don't have cash, make sure you stack up some cash as well. You never know when you might need it. So, once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There's a little subscribe button right there. If you're watching on your mobile in widescreen, all you have to do is swipe up, and then you can find the subscribe right there. And as always, guys, remember, keep grinding on your stack.